Hey, I bought this blanket basket as a gift for my sweet daughter-in-law. This is what she wanted for her birthday. It's a nice, very large woven basket with some leather handles here. Left the tag on just because it's for her. She's gonna like it. But we've got a lot of blankets, fluffy big blankets, and I just want to show you how much this blanket basket can actually hold. So it's really nice because it comes folded up, and so you just want to unfold it. I just kind of started stuffing it with blankets so that it would get a nice shape. Now what you could do is you could use, like if you have a clothing steamer, you could use that to kind of get rid of these bends here. I don't know, I'm gonna leave them because I think it looks kind of cool, like squared off a little bit, if that makes sense. I think that also that she will like that as well. So going to put the last blanket in here, and you'll see this can really hold. I put what, 4 big cozy blankets in here. These handles are really sturdy too, by the way. So yeah, that looks really nice, and it does come in other colors that you can choose from, and this is what she chose, and I think it's gonna look really good in her living room. So that's what it is. Holds a lot, and this is really nice. And hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe. That way you won't miss out on anything. Thanks.